Hi, this is Jason with Cognitive Code. This video is the beginning of the SILVIA Studio 3.0 Quickstart tutorials. This first video is Hello World. We will create a new SILVIA brain file, make a new behavior that will launch on boot, and greet users. Quick note, if you want to show or hide tooltips in SILVIA Studio 3.0, click the question mark icon at the bottom left of the toolbar. To make a new brain file in SILVIA Studio 3, click on the File menu icon at the very bottom left of the toolbar. The File menu will pop up in the center of the screen. Select New Brain File to create a new one. Now that we have a new brain file, let's make a new behavior to go in it. To make a new behavior, go to the Behavior hierarchy or click Behaviors in the toolbar, and when the hierarchy is up, click the New button. A new behavior will show up in the Behavior hierarchy called New Behavior. In this case, we're trying to make a boot behavior, so we'll leave it in the default group, but rename New Behavior to Boot. Select the New Behavior text and set it to Boot instead, and then hit Enter. Click on the behavior listing for Boot in the hierarchy to open the behavior editor. Click the Add Exuder button in the behavior editor to add a new exuder to this boot behavior. The new exuder form will pop up in the behavior editor beneath. SILVIA uses what we call exuders to push out content in response to commands. This can include text, speech, performance, data, or code. In this case, we just want the boot behavior to have some text that SILVIA can push to the chat and speak when loading. Let's change that text from new exuder text to Hello World, for instance. Now that we have our greeting text set, let's go ahead and save the brain file. You can go to the File menu again and hit Save, or you can hit Control-S or Command-S on a Mac. Navigate to a place where you want to save your brain file and give the brain file a name. We named ours SILVIA3quickstart.sil. Be sure to include the .sil at the end of the file name because SILVIA can load multiple file types, which we'll cover in later lessons. You'll get a confirmation dialog showing the name and path of the SILVIA brain file you just saved. There's a quick reload button in the top left corner of the brain controls panel where you normally chat with SILVIA in Studio. But for the first time, you'll want to load it from the File menu in order to set the preference. Click on the File menu again at bottom left, and when it comes up, select Load Brain File. Navigate to the saved brain file, and once you find it in the list, either double-click on its name or click on it once and then click Select to load it.
Hello World.
SILVIA will load the brain file and execute the boot behavior, posting to the chat and also speaking Hello World. Congratulations, you've made your first SILVIA brain file.